Good morning, student, and welcome to this session of class 5th. In this session, we are going to learn our computer chapter 2nd, application of computers. Now, in this chapter, we are going to learn about the application of computers in various fields and embedded system. These topics we are going to learn in this chapter. Now, first let us start our point. Computers are used everywhere. We can see computers at shops, hospitals, space stations, schools, etc. Means we can see the computer at various places. Means today the computer is the essential part of our life. Means we can use the computers in our day-to-day life. Now, where these computers are used and which applications are used. See. Now, see. The next point is application of computers in various fields. Application of computers. Now, computers are used in various fields. Let us know more about the different application of computers. See, which are the different applications. The first point is computers in media and entertainment. See, in media or entertainment, how the computers are used in this application. Today's computers are playing an important role in almost everywhere or everything. Media and entertainment are exception. In television and film entertainments, movies can now be modified on computer also. Means today's all the films and movies or pictures that can modified on the computer. Means all these movies or pictures can change or modify or edit on the computer, and they can add some special effects can be created using computer, and that special effects can be insert into the computers or can be add or combined into the pictures or movies. Due to these special effects, the picture or movies are attractive or they are very entertainment. So in this way the computers in media and entertainment use. Now the next is computers in advertising. Advertising is one of the most progressive fields these days. Today we are observing. We can see the different types of advertisement on the television. So how these advertisements are made? These advertisements are made on the computer and they are made very attractive. Its scope is increasing by day as more powerful software being developed, keeping in mind the needs of advertisement. Means due to the demanding of advertising, that advertising are used or made up by computer, or they are editing by computers. We can add the computer animation in the advertising. Morphing, we can add the sound and video editing. We can add some videos in that advertisement. So means the main components of advertising are becoming easier by day to day. Means it can very easy to make a very attractive advertising with the help of computer. This is about the computers in advertising. Now next one is computers in animation. Computers animation is the art of creating a movie images by the use of computers. Means animation is the what is animation? Animation is the art of creating a moving images. Moving images means the number of images can run within a second. That is called animation. The different postures are of the pictures, and the different pictures are move in a second. That's why we can see the action of that animation. The moment, in fact, it is the illusion of mother, and which is created by displaying a series of pictures quickly. Displaying a series of pictures quickly. That is called animation. Huh? To, an image is displayed on the screen and then quickly replaced by a new image which is slightly altered version of the previous image. Means there are number of images, slightly different images. Means they are 90% same, all the images, but slightly different, and all these images are move quickly, and we can get the animated picture. In this way the animation is made. Today computer have made it really easy to make animation. Means today computers have made really easy to make animation. We can make the cartoons, and cartoons can made possible by animation on the computer. Means we can make the animated computer on the animated cartoons on the computer. Now next application is computers in school. How the computers are used in the school. See, computers are used by teachers for making lesson plans, for teaching different topics related to the subjects using CDs, and for making report cards. So it is very easy to make the educational material or educational contents for the teachers, for their subjects. They are making the student report cards, they are making the student different subject data. So means it is very easy for the teachers in the school to operate the computer. Now it is also used for maintaining records of student, and also for preparing the results. Means the teachers can make the results on the computer. Students use the computers for making the projects and learning the different things. Students also use the computer for their projects, for their study material, for learning a different thing, for searching the information on the computer. So in this way the computer is used in the school. Now next is computers in defense. Computers in defense. Computers are useful in a defense service. Defense service means in the military system or in the police department. That is called defense services. Means computers are useful in military or security system or in the police department. Modern weapons and missiles depends on computers for inputs. Means computers can use for launching the weapons or missiles which are attached with the computers. If we are giving the input to the computer, the missiles are launched. They are stand for attacking position. So in this way the computers are used in defense. Also the computers are used for the radars. What is radar? Radar are also controlled by using a computer. Radars are just searching the unauthorized objects which are present in that magnetic field. That is called radar. That radar is just a magnetic field create around itself and searching the unauthorized object, which is very that object is danger for us. That dangerous unauthorized object is searching by this radar. That is called radar. This is the function of radar. Means in this way the computers are used in the defense system. Now the next one is computers in offices. Computers in offices. Computers are used in offices Computers in offices. Computers are used in offices for storing a data. Huh? Computers are used in offices for storing a data. Storing a data means information. Information regarding admission, fees, libraries, and the details of the student. All these information are storing in the computer. And it is easier to maintain the records in a computer than in bulky papers, files and folders. If we make the records in files and folders in the papers, it is very bulky or it is very difficult task, but it is very easy to maintain the records in computer. So that is very easy, means in this way the computers are used in offices. Important information can be communicated to colleagues via computers, means via computer we can transfer our information to our different offices or different person. Computers are also used to make various presentation and report, means computers are used to make various presentation, means PPT files and different reports we can make using the computers. In this way the computers are used in offices. Now the next is computers are used in libraries. Computers are used in libraries to keep records of the books issued and returned. Means computers are used in libraries for issuing the books to the student, to the teachers, and again when that books are returned to the library. So all these records are maintained in the computer. For that, maintaining the records, a database is required, and that database can keep all the available books in the library and when that books are returned. So in this way the computers are used in library. Now computers in medicine. Computers are widely used in the field of medicine. Computers are widely used in the field of medicine. Computerized equipments are used for medical tests and surgeries in hospital. We can see in the hospital they are all the machineries and the operational or surgical equipments means parts that machines that machines are operated by the computer or computerized equipments. So these computerized equipments, these machines can use in the for making the medical test and for the operation purpose, for the surgery purpose in the hospitals. Now computers are used to maintain the medical records. The patient medical records we can maintain on the computer. Special computers are installed inside the different equipments. They help in monitoring the condition of patient. We can see the microcomputers are used in the hospitals. The red lines or green lines are going in that computer. So these are the microcomputers. That microcomputers are used for monitoring, means checking the condition of patient and in keeping a record of all necessary information, means all these necessary information can record in a computer. In this way the computers are used in medicine. Now the next is computers in space technology. How the computers are used in space technology? See, a number of satellites link with the computers and provide important information for space research. Means a big supercomputers are attached with the satellite and that computers provide the information regarding the space research. About the space, all the information is they can provide to the users. So computers are used to monitor and control space equipment. Space equipment means the satellite. All these satellites are controlled by and monitored by the computers. And which kind of computers are used in the space technology? Supercomputers are used in the space technology. Now next is computers in banks. How the computers are used in the banks? See, Computers are used in banks for online inquiries, for a customer account balance. We are checking our account balance online. So for that purpose, computers are required. Check verification. Bank provides us a checkbook. That check verification is done by the computers in the bank. Updating the account balance. Updating the account balance means if we are withdraw the money from the computer, and if we are submit the money in the bank, that time that updating information regarding your account is updated in the banks using computer. Calculating interest and printing customer account statement. We can take our bank passbook in the bank, and we can take the printout of that our account in the passbook, bank passbook. So that's why the computers are used. In this way, the computers are used in the bank. The ATMs enable customer to withdraw money easily without going to the banks. Means the computers also used in the ATMs. Means we can easily withdraw our money from the ATM. So in this way, the computers are used in the ATM. ATMs are connected to the central computer of the banks, and that ATM is connected to the main computer or central computer of the bank. In this way, the computers are used in the banks. Now next topic is computers for weather forecasting. Weather forecasting. Weather forecasting means what? Our environmental changes or our surrounding condition. We can check, and that process is called as a weather forecasting. Information about changes in weather and direction of winds is collected and feed into a computer. Means if there is a certain change in our surrounding, if the clouds are coming, if very cloudy winds are coming, so all this sudden change in the weather, that changes we can collected, that all these changes or information we can feed or insert into a computer, and this data is analyzed and then weather is forecasted. All this information is collected, and on that collected information the weather forecasting is done. What is the condition in which place, that all conditions we can check. A lot of data is collected from weather stations and satellites. We can collect all this information through the satellite. Satellite can take the pictures of our earth, whether the cloud, whether the humidity, all these conditions are collected by the satellite and feed into the computer. Powerful computers known as supercomputers are used for weather forecasting. We know that the satellites are used the supercomputers because only supercomputers have the powers. They can take all these operations. So in this way, the computers are used in weather forecasting. Now next point is computers for railways and airline reservation. Railways and airline reservation. Computers are used at booking counters. Booking counters. We can book our ticket by for railway, for aeroplanes. In that booking counters, the computers are used, and that computers is connected to the common network. There is a common network. All the computers are connected. Connected to the common networks. And in this way, we can book reservation tickets by railway, airlines or buses, travels. In this way, we can book the tickets from any place, anywhere, due to the common network. In this way, the computers are used in the reservation of railway and airline tickets. This enables the people to book a tickets from anywhere. For booking a ticket from any place, anywhere. So all the required information is fed into the computer by a booking clerk. one of the clerk is present in the counter. That clerk is book all, keep the records of all this information and feed into the computer. So in this way the computers for railway and airline reservation is used. Now next is the availability of ticket is check, means we can check the ticket is available or not. The tickets are then booked and printed and issued to the computers. If the ticket is available, we can book the ticket and we can take the print of that ticket, and in this way we can use the computers in different application. So thank you student, I hope you enjoy the today's session. In this session we have learned the applications of computers. Now on the next session we will come on the next chapter.